Welcome to this tutorial on how to change your Hulu subscription. Start by opening the Hulu website or app and log into your account. Now, go to your account page and check who is billing you. If you see a Manage Plan button, then you are billed directly by Hulu. If you do not see this option, it means your subscription is billed through a third-party service like Apple, Google, or another provider. In that case, you will need to manage your subscription through that billing partner. If you are billed by Hulu, scroll down to the Your Subscription section. Now select Manage Plan. You will see your current plan marked in green. If you want to switch to another plan, just toggle the new plan to On. To change add-ons like HBO or Disney, click on Manage Add-ons. You will see a plus icon to add or a check mark to remove. Once you have made your changes, click Review Changes to confirm. If your account is billed by a third party, follow the steps shown by that billing service. Just keep in mind that the available plans and add-ons might be different depending on who is billing you. If you want, you can cancel with Apple or Google and then sign up directly with Hulu for full control. Hulu also gives you the option to pause your subscription for up to 12 weeks. You can also update your payment method from the account page. If you need more help, you can always visit the Hulu Help Center. That's how to change your Hulu subscription.